Hola, my friends, nice that you're back for a new tutorial. Today we're gonna get Spanish, like you hear it. And we start out easy. So let's turn the ukulele in the right position and tune it in D, G, E, E, or G, C, E, A on a standard ukulele. Alrighty. Okay, I changed the camera position that you see my hand. There she is. So, we start with A minor. We use our first finger on the second string, first fret, our second finger on the second fret, fourth string, and the third finger on the third string, second fret. And we have a lovely A minor. Our next key is a G, which is a C chord on a standard ukulele, and it's the third fret, first string. Then we have a little stairway. It's the lovely F major 7 chord. First finger, first fret, second string, second finger, second fret, third string, and third finger, third fret, fourth string. And last but not least, E or A. First finger, first fret, third string, second finger, second fret, fourth string. Let's repeat. A minor, G, F major 7, E. So typically in the Spanish or flamenco music, the beat is 6/8 beat. So you can count twice 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and I made the rhythm pretty easy, so not the typical 8 notes like down, up, 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 down, up. For the 6/8 beat, we just do 6-time movements with our hand. I show it on the easy G chord. And the strumming pattern for this Spanish sounding rhythm is down, up, down, slap, up, down. Down, up, down, slap, up, down. I repeat. Down, up, down, slap, up, down. Okay. If you are not familiar with doing a slap, I did tutorials, but I repeat. So the slap you can do with your palm, that you do a fast movement and go with your palm to all strings. Or like I do a fast, can you see my hand? A fast movement with my index finger, and then I bend all strings with my palm. Okay? It's like a stop. So it's a typical technique I use, which is the flamenco or the rasgueado style. So exploding hand. But try whatever you prefer. So I use the G chord again, and we do down, up, down, slap, up, down, down, up, down, slap, up, down. I repeat. Down, up, down, slap, up, down. And when we count, sorry, my mic is wandering. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Down, up, down, slap, up, down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Maybe it's good if you stop for each section this video to practice this. So first you practice the chord progression, which is A minor, G, F major 7, E, D minor, G, F major 7, E. And now we do it slowly with our strumming pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Down, up, down, slap, up, down. And we do each key twice. So A minor, down, up, down, slap, up, down, down, up, down, slap, up, down. G, down, up, down, slap, up, down, down, up, down, slap, up, down. F major 7, down, up, down, slap, up, down, down, up, down, slap, up, down. E, down, up, down, slap, up, down, down, up, down, slap, up, down. D, A minor, sorry, D minor on the regular ukulele. Down, up, down, slap, up, down, down, up, down, slap, up, down. D, up, down, slap, up, down. G, up, down, slap, up, down. F major, up, down, slap, up, down. F, E, up, down. E, up, down, slap, up, down. A. Okay. A little bit faster. Okay, this is a short tutorial, but very much information for you. So pause and practice on the metronome, the 6/8 beat, and start with 65, then 75, 85 BPM, and then how fast you love the rhythm. And the next time we combine this rhythm with a picking pattern, but I make it as an easy and not a typical tremolo style. If you loved my video, please subscribe, send me a like, forward my video or support me on Patreon. Anyway, I love you all. Enjoy and have fun. See you soon, Doña.